guys, it's me, Tillman. Now I'm gonna go on, and we're at the Grand Floridian pool. I'm gonna go on the slide now. Yeah. Sadie does not want to go on it. Plus, that splash pad over there, you can't see it because it's behind the trees. Well, it's behind the pool bar thing. Wait, he didn't go down, so I don't understand. Yeah, I'm excited. This is nighttime. My mom is back at the in our room in Conkey again. Are you gonna go out to do it? Are you actually gonna get a person? You're gonna put that on the internet? Yeah. Someone going down the slide? Yeah. But it's not you. Yeah. You think you want it to be me? No. What? No. You can see me going really fast. Yeah. I'll go 1,000 miles per hour, silly goose. I'll try to make you go really fast. Yeah. So then, do you want to see me going down? Yeah. Like that? No, not. This is my thing. Well, just you're gonna record me. You can record me down the slide, but you don't go down. Yeah. Okay. Let's do whatever you want. Just wait until the light turns green. Okay. Well, I'm not doing it. People, if you shut up.
I'm gonna catch you, okay?
I see. I'm not getting his thing.